What's up? Just gotta get my stream set up still. Let's go ahead and jump right in. I guess everything is all right. I really can't tell, although I'm coming out of my speakers. I'm assuming that my audio is loud enough. It's hard to know. It's hard to tell, actually. Let's look at one of my monitors right quick. I'll go ahead and share my screen now. Not sure why that did that. All right. So for some reason, it's a lot. It's not as loud as it was yesterday. What the hell's going on? Let's see if yeah, I got it on high game mode. Huh, no idea what's going on. All right, anyway, hopefully y'all can hear me all right. If you can't hear me, just let me know and I can adjust audio. Gonna be working on, basically I'm just continuing what I was doing yesterday. I really don't have a true agenda as usual, typical fashion. But you know, we'll figure things out. So let's see where I left off. I have like a very, very crappy UI as usual. And I'll show that off. We'll see what it does actually before I even go to the UI. So I have this thing here, this endpoint that I created that will do a completion. You know, you can give it a prompt. You can also give it like how big you want the completion to be. I think I called it completion size. Let's see. Can I make this a little bit bigger? Yes, perfect. A little bit completion size. And let's set this to be medium, maybe. Maybe I should also use the correct quotes. All right, so this says write a poem about who's the fairest of them all. So what I'm gonna do is say write a poem about which social media site is the fairest of them all. Not fair, like not the other fair. All right, let's see what happens. I think it's running. I hope it's running. Yeah, it is running. Yeah. Twitter's the fairest of them all. No other can even come close. And the tweets that fly by night and day reach more people than our foes with characters. Yeah, I'm not gonna read that. But this is the thing that it's doing. And I've kind of been thinking about what else I can do. And now I'm thinking I can use this to help me build like titles for YouTube, also descriptions, maybe come up with the thumbnail, maybe come up with tag suggestions, and yeah. So I think the first thing I can try to do is, you know, given a video description, give me a title, right? Something like that. So let me pull up my very crappy looking UI. Got to deal with it. Let me also close some things. I have a lot of things going on right now. We'll close that. And I guess I don't need this up right now. Wait, why am I? Okay, I don't care about that. Okay. All right, cool. Let's open up Firefox. Dev edition. All right, so as you can see, here are my UI skills at work. I have a text area, and then you can choose the length, and then you just do the thing. Right now, it's not actually hooked up, and that's because last night I was like, oh yeah, I need a way to build a form. But then I'm like, I don't actually know how to do forms or anything in React because I don't do that. So I decided to use this thing that I found on the internet to help me with building my form. And when I say building my form, I'm really talking about state. Doing forms properly is very difficult. And I'm noticing that there are certain things that I wish that I could do here that I don't know if I can do yet. But let's go ahead and go to the page that I was building. So there's this watch thing. I now understand how this should work. And I now understand that I can pull out things from here. I read the docs. That's it. I looked at the docs for a few minutes before starting this. So I give it default value. I can know whether or not something's submitting, if it's dirty, that kind of thing. And I can also pull out errors, right? So if I wanted to say, this is required and then type text, maybe I can say that you need a certain amount of characters. Well, now I can actually pull out errors. Instead of doing form state like that, just do errors. And the reason why I think you have to do it this way is you actually want it to render, right? That's a thing that we tend to want to happen. So I'm gonna also do the same thing with this right here. I think that's why it wasn't working. So we're gonna pull out something. I don't know what it is yet. And we'll just call watch. And I can pass in the thing that I want to watch, or I can just watch everything. So let's see if there's anything, like if this is an object, because I really don't know. All right, so I'm gonna call it a for now. And let's pull this out, like so. Whoa, what the fuck? Okay, I don't know what that was about. All right, so let's do that, and we don't need that. All right, cool. So now I get back the actual object. So things are working the way that I would have expected them to work last time. Oh, by the way, if you are watching this live, if you have questions, feel free to drop it in the chat. I will probably respond. If you want to see certain direction, or if you want to see certain things, let me know. Because as I will continue to say, I have no agenda. So, you can make this what you want it to be. All right, I know I can keep working on this form. Let's come over here to this API. So I found out that the register, this is the main thing that I need to worry about. And yeah, let's see, we have this handle submit. I think handle submit, yeah, it just takes in, like it's just a callback that takes in data, which is of type fill values. And the reason why this is important to me is because I may pull this function out into here just to make it easier for me to reason about, because having a bunch of this is very confusing to me. All right, so let's see what happens whenever I do this right here. Where's my little app thing? Let's move that up. And we'll just do, here's some stuff. We'll do that, and it's interesting. I kind of expected this to have that content, but maybe that's not how this works. Let's see what we get in our console. Nothing. Oh, wait. Okay, maybe I should look at this console. All right, so prompt is undefined. Okay, that's the hell is prompt? Oh, it's this thing right here. How is prompt undefined? All right, so this is where I guess I get into debugging things that I had no intention of debugging today. So already a few minutes in, first snag, it's cool. Work through it. One thing that I think that I will need to do, let's say that I wanted to do like a, coming up with a title, for instance. I think what I have to have is a template of sorts. So I'm going to kind of like fake that right now. I'm gonna hard code everything. So whatever I do to submit, I'm going to also append some data to the thing that I'm calling. And I also need to figure out how can I actually call my API. I have no idea how you do that, to be honest. I think I can make this async. I hope I can make it async. And let's go ahead and do this right here. See, this is what I want to avoid. This to me is, I hate this. Like, I really don't like mixing stuff like this. But I'm gonna do it for now because I don't really have much choice. So we'll do await, and guess I should also assign this to an object. So I'll call it response. And I think fetch is a thing. Yes, it is. All right. Input request info URL. So I want to say I can just do /API/completions, maybe. And I have to initialize the request. The body, I'm going to like pass in some, like a JSON object. And what do I need to do? You think I know my own API? I don't know anything. But I have this type. All right, so I'm going to do this the stupid way right now, but what I'm likely going to do after I like figure out what the hell I'm doing and I get a little bit more structure going, I will integrate TRPC so that I can get typings on my server and client side, because I don't like, I don't know what things are expected, and I don't want to have to do it. I just did to figure it out because I'm lazy like that. I don't care. So we'll add this prompt here, and I'm just going to make this an empty string for now. And completion size, okay, that could be undefined. Completion size, like so. So we could do that, I think. And instead of logging data, I'm going to log the response for now. And technically, I just want to follow this. So let's see what happens. I expect it to fail because I don't know if this is right. Like, I just don't know if that's right. All right, so let's, well, first thing, I'm gonna dock this to the right. Window fetch head or get request. I cannot have body. Wait, body. Well, what am I doing? I'm confused. What did I do? Where's this request at? Get. Oh yeah, what the hell am I doing? I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Let's go back to here. I'm not sure if this is going to work. We'll see. Yeah, all right, cool. That does it. So, is there like a method? Yes, there is a method. Perfect. Oh, it's not typed. That's interesting. I thought this would have been typed, given that there are only, what, 4 or 5, maybe 6 methods? That should be a string literal. I'm not sure where this, like, where these definitions are coming from though. Fetch. Yeah, I have no idea where this definition is coming from. If I did, I would just go and contribute a PR to fix it so that it's, you know, what you would expect it to be. Go ahead and submit this, see if I get back the thing. All right, so I get a status 404. So how do I actually get to my API? Is it even called completions? No, it's not. It's called completion, my gosh. Another reason to use TRPC is because stuff like this, like, I don't know things. It's too much effort. All right, I get a 400 this time. All right, so what is the reason why we get a 400? I forgot. Bad request, no prompt. Okay. All right, thought. Yeah, that's the only way I can get a bad request. What the hell? Did I not include a prompt? Am I not spelling it correctly? PROM. Oh yeah, I'm dumb. Yes, I didn't give it a fucking prompt. Okay, that explains it. Okay, so whatever. All right, let me go ahead and comment this out for now. And I'm doing that because I need to figure out how to get. I need to figure out how to get whatever's in this text thing in this data thing right here. I have no idea how you do that. So I'll just do some copy pasta. I'll comment that out and we'll throw in data. Okay. Yeah, it's coming back as undefined. One thing that I think I can do is there's a way that I can put, like, give a default value, I think. Yeah, that. So if I give it this, I think that will force type whatever, type safety. So yeah, so what's the other one? Completion size will be undefined. No, that's actually, that's incorrect. Yeah, that's actually incorrect. Can I give this a type? I need to be able to specify a type here. All right, so let's see if that's a way, if that's something that I can do. How do I search docs? Can I not search docs? Default values. Actually, it wouldn't matter because I don't think I can export this type, or maybe I can export this type. But yeah, if I can export this, then I can rename this to be completion request. And if I can type this, that would be great. And the reason why this is important to me is because I need this to, like, I want this to be undefined initially. You know, be like, I want it to be this initially. But, you know, yeah, I don't know. Call this completion size. So yeah, it's complaining because of that initially. Let's see what happens if, let's save it and let's see if it's able to reconcile. I guess it is. Although this is wrong. This needs to be S, M, and L. All right, cool. So the way that I'm doing this now is I'm checking if completion size is set. Now I want to say that an empty string is falsy. And if an empty string is falsy, then I can take advantage of that. Let's see, because I actually don't know. Like I said, I don't really know things. All right, so we'll say not that true. Okay. I don't know if that's false then. No, it is false. That means it is false. So if I want to check for real, I just do not this. Okay, okay. So an empty string is falsy. So what I'm gonna do is go here, and instead of this being undefined, it'll just be an empty string, and it'll get treated the way that I want it to be treated. All right, so let's refresh. Perfect. Look at that. I get back the things. I get back my prompt and my completion size. All right, let's see what happens if I put in some data. This is a test. Submit query. Ah, shit, that's not what I wanted to do. All right, so, okay. Prompt is still not being updated. Let's submit query again. Yeah, it's still empty. I would have expected this error to pop up. Now that I think about it, like, why isn't an error popping up here? What else can I pull out of here? It's dirty, it's loading, touch fields. Don't need any of the other things. Control, get values, reset, set error, trigger. Okay. By the way, the only reason why I have this watch here is for this. That's why it's called A. Let's make this a little bit bigger. I wonder if this text or this type is throwing things off. Let's see. Text area. Okay, so maybe you're not supposed to give it a type. That could also be a thing. Yeah, that could be it. I don't see type here. Put that there. Yeah, I don't see type here, so maybe this is just wrong. Maybe. Reload that. Nope. I wonder if I make this just an input. I'm going to do that first. Let's try to make this an input first. So we'll do input, and I think here I need to do type of text. Let's see if it binds to it at that point. If it does, then that just tells me that this is like a text area weirdness thing. It's not. Okay. What the hell? What in the actual hell? Value of I won't do any value. You know what? I want to see errors too. Let's do that. Error. See if there are any errors. The fact that this is coming back as no error when I would expect this to throw an error right now. That's the expectation. thought I just saw a video. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna try that out. Did it register? Yes. Value. I don't understand. What does that mean? What is value? Set of value for the register input. This prop should be utilized inside use effect or invoke once. Each rerun will update or overwrite the input. Okay. Input will be unregistered after unmount. Alright, let me hard code a value and see what happens. Okay, maybe I can't do it there. Bro, like oh gosh, what if I've been doing it wrong this whole time? Which is, that's very likely, to be honest. Oh yeah, that may be the issue, that I've done something stupid. So required is true. Okay, all right. I think I see what's here. What's going on? I think I need to do that. Maybe. I think. So we'll do that. No. This. What the fuck? Alright, we'll get rid of that thing. That's confusing the hell out of me. This is why I want to like pull these out, because I hate dealing with this kind of stuff. Okay. So I think, I don't know, we'll see. We will see. The fact that it was doing something and not just failing is concerning to me. Alright, okay, that was it. Oh gosh, okay, sure. Let me put a helper here to see how many times this is being re-rendered. Let render count equal 0, 1, 0. And I will put in here render count plus. Oops. And then we'll do render count plus. And I'll actually call this renders like so. Renders 1. Ah, shit. It's re-rendering the whole thing. Okay. Cyclic object value. Oh gosh. Let's get rid of this A. It's still gonna. Oh man, it re-rendered 4 times. Oh, okay. Well, now it's not. But it's also erroring out. I've done something foolish. Warning, text content did not match. What? Warning, text content did not match. Okay, sure. Okay, all right, interesting. It's no longer re-rendering though, that's good. So Now I want to see if I can get watch to actually give me the thing that I want. We'll call that state. Should probably call this input state. Oh shit. Oh gosh, that's not great. Okay, so maybe watch is what's doing that. There might be another way of doing this, like doing this watch thing. Let's see. Watch. Ah, okay, so I could put this in a use effect, I suppose, but I don't think that's. I don't know if I need to do that. Oh, they call it watch fields. Okay. Oh no, it's just. Okay, never mind. Never mind. That matters. Is there a use watch? Okay. I think this could be what I want. Where is use watch? Here we are. This is now going to be called use watch. Okay. That, no, it just breaks the whole thing. Just breaks the whole thing. Is it NOLA? Like, what? Use watch. Do I have to give it anything? Control is optional. Yes, I shouldn't have to give it anything. It should just give me all of that, but it's not. Let me save it. Maybe I didn't save. No, that's definitely jacked up. Yo, what's up, Kyle? Lost? Was? I don't know. What's up? Deciding to watch the struggle, huh? It's a struggle. I don't know if I've ever told you I've never really been a web developer. Making a mess in the closets. I don't know how I should take that. Should I take that as like, no, that's that. there was a point in time, I think in the mid 2000s, there was this like musical series called Trapped in the Parts. Okay, missing parts, kids. Okay, I think I'm missing parts on my my Lego Technics set. I think either I'm missing them or I lost them. Either or, it's not a good look. yeah. Okay, all right. I'm glad you caught that. That's I'm pretty sure there are other people that's like, what are they talking about? If y'all don't know about this R. Kelly closet, you should. Oh my gosh, that's some storytelling right there. I remember when that came out, it's like, man, when is next version coming out? Like, when's part 2, part 3? I don't know how many parts there are, but it was an excellent series of songs. All right, can't access property control method is null. According to this, I can do that. I see. I will likely do what you're doing for spring cleaning. Or hell, I don't know. Like I'm still debating whether or not I want to continue living here. I only have a couple days to give them my notice. And I think they said that like if I go on to month to month, my rent jumps to $4,500 a month. I'm just like, okay. I'm like, okay. Why does this thing hate me so much? Is that it? I think it just hates me. Okay, maybe whatever that is not the right way of going about this. That could also be it. I wonder if I can give watch a function. Yes, I can. Look at that. Look at that. I can give watch a function. That will solve my problem. I hope, maybe. So instead of like doing whatever that is, I'll just throw in a function right here. This is going to go back to watch. I'm gonna just do that for now. I don't actually know what this callback is going to give me, so I have to just look at it, I suppose. So callback, prompt, completion size. Okay, it's just going to give me all the things. It's just, yeah, okay. It's just going to give me all the things. Oh. All right, and let me just kind of get rid of that. All right. Yes. No. All right. Well, yeah, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. Yes. Where are my re-renders though? Maybe I don't want to comment that out. Let's put that back in, and I'll just get rid of fill state, and we'll keep errors there, and we'll put render count front and center. There we go. All right, cool. It's now doing what I was hoping it would do. Except, no. There is no except. It's doing what I needed to do. Oh, whoa. What the fuck? Did you see that? Why did that do 4? How long you been going through your storage and stuff? All right, maybe I don't have to care about this. It's not re-rendering. That's really all that matters. So maybe it's just going to do this however many times. Let's see if it changes based off of, oh no, that's not good at all. Is it going to double? Why is it doing it 4 times each time? What am I doing? That's dumb. Is it because I wonder if I need to do this inside of a use effect. maybe. Oh, come on now, work with me. Dot use effect. Yeah, that. This too. What is this thing? Watch. And get rid of that. What the? Oh my gosh. All right. Okay. So I have the thing. All right, and now I know that I need to return a function that will call unsubscribe, I think. Is that it? Is there an unsubscribe for watch? Ah, yes, there is. Okay, so move that into here. There we are. So I'll return that function. Why is this tripping? Import React, okay. Y'all are basically watching me learn React. Is that just one? Is that one? Is that working now? Look at that. It's working the way that it should work now. Okay. All right, perfect. We're good. So I did need to put it in this use effect thing. All right, got it. Understood. Okay. So at this point, whenever I do this submit query, I should get back the data. And I do. Look at that. I get back the things that I expect. Perfect. All right. So given I am getting the stuff back that I want, let's destructure that. I'm gonna get a prompt out, and this is why I want to use TRPC. It's because like I don't be knowing. And you could be like, oh well, you wrote it. It doesn't matter. I don't know. Like if I wrote it, that's even less of a reason for me to know. All right, we're gonna uncomment these things out, and now I'm going to pass in prompt completion size. And I want to write out this response. Do I want to write out the response? I actually don't know. I'm gonna want to render this somehow. I want to render it on the page. I don't know how you do that at the moment, but for now, I guess it doesn't matter. Let's do response.data, I think, or not. .json. Is that what I return from my endpoint? Yes, that is what I that is what I return. Okay. And I think that this is a promise. Yes, it is. Can I await this? Can I do that? They're gonna cry if I try to do that. Let's see. Oh, and before I do that, let's turn this back into a text area, because I think that was the issue. Is that like, wait a minute. Yeah. I think the issue initially was that I was calling this register thing improperly. Okay, so right. Oh, come on now. This is tripping out about cyclic error. Why is it rendering 3 times now? Okay, I'm gonna do this so that it leaves me the fuck alone. It keeps showing me stuff. Okay, I already have it. I just disabled it because. All right, is it gonna leave me alone now? No, it doesn't. What's going on? Look for a property on the error instance itself. What? Oh, he has some do's and don'ts. Look at this. I may be doing something stupid. I will admit I have no idea why this is unhappy. What happens if I get rid of errors? All right, it's a rendering issue. Okay. Okay. What am I doing? That's wrong. Is it because I'm doing the render count here? Maybe. So let's move that up. So this is renders. Render counter, and let's just call this renders up here. So that could be it, is that I need to do it here. So we'll say const renders is equal to render count plus plus. No, that's not it. I'm just going to do render count plus plus here, and then just put in renders. No, that doesn't fix anything. Or does it? No, it doesn't fix anything. Okay. Error happened outside of the suspense boundary. There. I wonder if he has a code example. Like a full one. I want to keep track of renders. Oh wait, let me go back to this. I want to keep track of the number of renders because I want to make sure that it's not just like rendering every time I type in the input. Oops, my bad. What I meant to do was this. So let's see, doc, code sandbox. Okay, so he has render count. Oh look at that shit. We used the same name. All right, so anyway, he has the render count. Oh, look at this. The form values. This is what okay, that's actually what I was trying to, okay, so you do just do this right here. Gotcha, that makes sense, okay. So I'm gonna rename this to be completion request. And I'm gonna export it. I'm not sure if I can do that. I'm just gonna all right. I'm gonna try it and see what happens. I'm not sure if I can do this, to be honest. It's $20 to order parts. My gosh. It should be free, shouldn't it? Like, it's expensive. It's $400 and some for some plastic. Or how much do they cost? Actually, I don't know what they cost. I'm sorry. I should know, but I don't. Completion size. So I can put undefined here now because it knows. It knows. Look at that. Let's organize these imports right quick. All right, cool. So now I have types, maybe. Let me see if that actually works. All right, yeah, it still works as before. So it may not actually be working, but it's working well enough. So they're doing render count plus plus. I'm doing that, so we're good there. And then he's just logging out the errors. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe I can't do this. Headers, what the hell's headers? Oh, that's the thing. Okay, he's done that. Okay, I see. Fine, okay. Cool, so I'm gonna mirror what he's doing. May as well, right? So I'm gonna do JSON stringify, and I'm just gonna do render. Yeah, renders. And actually, I don't know why this would be failing because I'm no longer like doing the errors inside of here. I am gonna just straight up copy this. See if there are any errors. Oh, okay. All right, well, okay. I suppose then that makes sense. Not because it's a gun part, but just because of the materials, right? Like it's probably metal, and it actually takes effort to make, energy to make. Not that plastic doesn't require both of those, but hopefully you know what I mean. All right, this is pissing me off now. Oops, my bad. See if there's like I wonder if there's a way to like disable cache or something. Maybe that has something to do with it. Did that fix it? It's rendering twice. Why is that? Yeah, well, like, why is that? Yeah, I'm literally doing the same thing. Is it because I'm calling watch? Does it not like this watch thing? Let me just get rid of that. I really don't technically need it. The fact that this is saying that it's going to use client rendering when like I literally said to use client rendering is very, very confusing to me. And the fact that this works sometimes but not all other times, it's really, I don't know, annoying. Let's try it again. Localhost 3000. Prompts. 4 renders. All right, that's unacceptable. Why is that happening? Is it because I'm stringifying? Is it that? I'm grasping right now. I really don't know why this is doing it. Yeah, 4 times. What the hell? All right, I think I'm gonna have to go line by line because what I have should work. I think I have literally the same thing that he has. Except I'm doing this use client thing up here. Could it be that could it be this right here? No, that's broken. It's straight up broken now. All right, let's see. That's indeed the case. So maybe I can't do this render plus here. Maybe I need to do that here. I really don't know, to be honest. It's like, it doesn't realize that the most recent thing is likely the place that I want to go, right? Like that seems obvious to me. Okay, now, okay, look at that. Okay. This. Is it working? This. Yeah, it looks to be working. This is a test. All right, so let's see if I can get it to like do the prompt thing. So we're gonna make a short and then, let's see. Write a haiku on why GitHub is the best. And submit query. Okay, I get a bad request now. Why? Okay, Eris has nothing in it, so so maybe I can go back to doing this where I can like stringify shit. Hopefully. So we're gonna do render count, errors, that. And that too. And let's get rid of this log statement. Ah, shit. I hope of course I didn't. I don't know how to say poem. So yeah, we'll just do that. Short. Okay. I get a bad request. The prompt is that, the completion is that. Here, what's the response? Success false, prompt not given. Interesting. Interesting. Pretty sure I gave it that. Oops. Try that. Undefined. Okay. Interesting. All right, let's look at this request. It's definitely here. All right, it's definitely right there. Did I not spell it the same? Is that it? Prompt. Looks like definitely getting there. We'll save that, and instead of just doing this prompt here, what I'll do is just print out the request body, the whole thing, and we'll call this requests body. Okay, let's submit that again. Spells again. Oh, it's definitely, what the oh, wait. Okay, no, it's definitely coming. That says prompt. All right, this maybe I have a potential. Let's see. Let's just see. So we'll put that in there. Oops. Yeah. And let's do not that. That gives me back false. All right, what am I doing? I'm doing something dumb. I have to be doing something stupid. Like, there's no way. I'm just going to copy this and make sure do that. You know what? How about this? There's also this right here. I'm gonna just stop the server and restart. Let's reload this. I have no idea how or why. Let's man, this is lucky. I don't know how to debug shit on like Next. I have no idea how you debug Next.js stuff. Maybe that's something I can figure out. Not now, but eventually. Like this is starting to distract me from what I'm actually trying to do, which is this OpenAI shit. Let's put in prompt right quick, and I'll put in prompt there. This is not making any sense to me. The request body has prompts here. This doesn't make any sense. I wonder if it's because it's, let's see, maybe if I do this is a test. And let's also kind of just, I'll leave that there, and whatever. I don't think it's gonna work, so let's try it. Yeah, okay, still giving me that error. What if I do request.body.prompts? Will that give me what I expect? Okay, is there anyone here who knows JavaScript or TypeScript or whatever this is? I don't even know, but like, how do I get prompts out of an object? Oh shit, never mind. Okay, actually, I understand why this isn't working now. I need to do, gosh, what do you call that thing? It's the JSON.parse. I need to parse the body, like so. There we go. I think that's it. So let's try that again. Submit query. Look at that. All right, it works. Okay. My gosh. Oh my gosh. All right. I hate this. Okay. All right, man, I'm hot now. Let me take off my jacket. I'm like, oh my gosh. I feel like I need to go take a break now. I am actually hungry though, like very hungry. I'll be right back. Yo, what's up, man? How you doing? I'm over here trying to, I'm struggling building like a web thing so I can play with OpenAI. Playing with OpenAI, that's easy for me, like all that, but like actually doing this part, like Next and JavaScript and React or whatever, is kind of a challenge for me. I just spent, I don't know how long have I been here? I've spent at least 30 or 40 minutes just dealing with this right here. I was getting like these failed responses, and I'm like, I have a prompt, it's there for sure, and then it's like, oh yeah, there's no prompt. So it turns out the reason was I wasn't parsing. But I noticed is that these things get a lot easier over time. And what I mean by that is that I'll build infrastructure so that if I run into these problems, I'll build some so I never have to run into it again. Although right now I'm mostly just like putting some stuff together. Also learning how to deal with this new library that I've discovered. It's new to me. I don't know, it's probably not new to you. It's new to me. And I'm also playing with Next.js 13, which is also new to me. It took, like yesterday, I spent a lot of time trying to figure out how to actually build a page. And yeah. Then I was dealing with like render issues. I think I fixed that by looking at, like there was this sandbox here. Get away from me, I don't want to talk to you. No. Somebody over here trying to connect to my machine. They think this is. But anyway, how you doing? And yeah, I see that there are actually people here. Like I don't know where you're at, people. But what's up? You know, how y'all doing? You know, you can do more than lurk. You can say hi. You know, just go into your keyboard and press 2 characters. Here, I'll show it to you. Watch. Hi. Look at that. It's awesome, isn't it? Funny how that works. Just saying. All right, so I think I can get back to what I was trying to do. That was, oh my gosh, that was like a very divergent path there. No, right? No. It's funny. It's interesting too, huh? Like you just press a key and like a letter pops up. It's pretty dope. Back in my day, when I wanted a letter, I had to like pull out a pen, you know, and take some paper and like actually draw it out. But these days, you just look at it and just press it. It's pretty dope. No, I don't watch enjoying other people code or whatever that says. Oh, that's Nightbot. But no, to your question. Yeah, back in my day. Yeah. All right. Let's go on to doing some more stuff. I don't think I need this anymore. Okay, I've already done that. Pricing, $0. All right, that's what I want there. I now understand this, air quotes. Pages and layouts, sure. All right, cool. So let's open up my thing because I did say that I needed to do some stuff. So this is going to be play around with OpenAPI. I did that. Build basic. I did that as well. I also built scaffolded. I'm gonna build basic UI to call endpoint. I did that technically. But then here I'll just say this is 20 devlog. Wait, let's go back. Oops. Where is my thing at? Here we are. Oh, that didn't get created. Okay, all right. All right, so let's see. I've needed to make I don't know. I'll just say wire up UI to completion endpoint. I'm also going to put devlog here just so that it like does the thing. Otherwise, is it actually showing me the date that I want? Because if it's showing me the date, then I'm good. Yeah, saying yesterday. I don't like that. I also don't like the fact that it's doing this weird thing right here where it's doing 023. That should be 2023. Oh no, I'm done. This is me. Never mind. All right, yeah, never mind. I'm good. So wire up UI to completion endpoint. Let's see, build a template. To generate a YouTube title given a video description. So I feel like if I'm gonna like go through this OpenAI stuff, I should probably make it so that it helps me with my YouTube stuff, which I've decided to start doing not long ago. Sorry. So I have done this kind of. No, I haven't. I'm still working on that. And I probably so now what I need to figure out is how do I take whatever is in here and like do something with it. All right. I think I can use useState. Can I use useState? Is that a thing? Can you do that? That's a thing, right? In React. Use state, it returns a tuple, state set state. Okay, all right, cool. So I think I can do that. So outside of this form, I'm going to return just like a paragraph tag. And inside of here is where I'm going to put like my response. But I only want to render it if I think I can do this. So I only want to render the response if there is state to begin with. I'm gonna call it completion response or completion. How about, yeah, I'll just call it a completion. And we'll say that. Can I do that? I think so. Okay, so now let's do some stating. So we'll do completion, set completion, complete completion. I think that's, I don't know, I guess that's how you spell it. Use state, the initial state. Have to follow and then wait 10 minutes in order to chat. It's harsh, man. Oh man, my bad. I didn't realize that was a thing. Let me see if I can fix that. Yeah, well, it was torture for me too. All right, give me a second. Give me a second. I've been using Twitch for a while, but like I'll be lying if I told you I actually like know what the hell I'm doing. Okay, I thought I turned that off. It shouldn't be, oh, no, it is. Okay. All right, yeah, so I'll do any followers. So yeah, there you go. So, I guess that's it. I'll chat, scroll. All right, cool. So hopefully that won't have an issue anymore. If someone is watching and you're not following me, like, can you please follow and then try to drop a comment? You don't have to follow me forever. You can unfollow afterwards if like you feel a certain kind of way about following me. That's okay. I'm more interested in testing out what I've just done. So chat is always going to be followers only. I'm not going to change that. But you can always unfollow if, yeah. Oh, so I see that there are a few more people. If you just join, I'm testing something. I'm not actually just asking for followers right now. But if you can follow, I only need 1 or 2 people to do it. And drop in a chat message to see if you can actually chat. Someone just said that the follow, like you have to follow me for 10 minutes. Yeah, please. Or will it, I don't know. Is it gonna update fast enough? Well, yeah, try it again. Yeah, if I don't see a response within 2 minutes, I will go back into my settings and see. But I think I made it where it's just like followers only, and zero minutes. Okay, it looks like it worked. Thank you, bro. Thank you. All right, yes. Yeah, my bad for that. And honestly, like, without people like you who actually say something, like, I would never know. So thank you for actually helping out. See, people, it's that easy to contribute. All you got to do is just be like, hey, you're doing this, do better. And I might actually do it. I might not too. There's also that. Maybe that's what you're trying to avoid. All right, so this completion is going to be undefined. You can also give it an empty string, but I'm gonna make it undefined. And if I do that, actually I'm gonna give it an empty string because I don't wanna have to do a type. So if I did what I was gonna do, I would have to do something like this where it's like a string or undefined. I don't really wanna do that. So I'm gonna just do a string because an empty string is falsy. So I can just take advantage of that fact. So we'll do that. And we have my completion. Let's see if anything shows up. Nothing should show up. All right, cool. Actually, let's do this. We're gonna do H2 and then completion. All right, cool. All right, and here I want to put in my completion like that. Nothing's gonna get done here. I'm getting back this JSON response. In fact, let me pull this out. Okay. Completion has a success and the completion itself. So what I want to do is, I don't really want to pull out this. Yeah, I'll do this. I'll say success. I almost typed in something else. Success and completion. All right, and what I want to do is I'm going to check to see if it's successful. So we'll just say if success. Then we'll set completion to whatever completion is. I think I can do that. I'm not returning the error, so like, you know, there's not much I can do there. Not yet, at least. So now let's see if it's going to do. So write a haiku about the joys of GitHub, of using GitHub. And let's make it short. I don't know. Haiku is a very specific format. It should always be short. GitHub, blissful home, sharing code, ideas, and I don't know how to read a haiku, so yeah, don't judge me. I wish, actually, I want this to like render out like each new line, but it's not doing that, and I don't know how to get it to do that. Oh no, that's because it's not a new line. Never mind, I'm tripping. So, or is it? Am I tripping? I don't think I am. Maybe I'm not. Let's here. Make sure. Nah, it's and then GitHub. Nah, it's definitely got a new line in there. Okay, how do I do this? How do I do that? Any of you web folks know how to do this? If I have a new line and a paragraph, how do I actually get it to like do the things? Or should I instead split whatever is in here? You know what? I'm just gonna do that. Fuck it. We'll do that. So we'll do completion. This time I won't do this thing right here. I'm gonna do completion dot split on, oh gosh. We'll do on new line, I think. Yeah, and then I can do a map. Yeah, functional FP for the world, you know, do that. And then I'm going to get back a line. And what I want to do is render out that line like so. So we'll do P. And then I'll throw the line in like that. But I also have to put the things. This is ugly. I'm sorry. That. And then why is it tripping? Is it because I need to wrap this in parentheses maybe? Missing key. Okay, sure. So we'll put key. Let's see. We'll do that. Well, the key actually doesn't matter right now. I'm just gonna put IX. Yeah, because in this case, like this is a paragraph. It doesn't matter. I don't need the key, but I'm putting it in there so React will leave me alone. So now we have the haiku. GitHub blissful home, sharing code, ideas, and more, working collaboratively. I guess is that a good haiku? Maybe, I don't know. All right, so I see that there are a few more people here. I'm gonna give you a little bit. I'm gonna just repeat what I'm potentially working on. Initially, I started this just because I need to stream. That's it. And I used to do something called Post Supply, which is a product that I was working on, but I've since given up and thrown in the towel and quit and failed at it. So I'm like, what can I do? And I'm just playing with OpenAI right now to just do some, just do some stuff. And then I got to thinking a little bit earlier today, what if I use this to help me with my YouTube? I'm also doing YouTube. You should follow me, by the way. It's I am Will Shepherd. I don't think I can link it because they might do stuff to me. But if you go down into like the bottom something, I think like in the panel, whatever that is, that Twitch panel thing, there's a link tree. I can show that. You know what? I can show that online. How about that? So we'll do link tree. So if you come here, you can actually go to my YouTube channel, right? And right now it should be what I'm streaming live, but I guess not. But yeah, if you just go here, you can go to my YouTube channel and see the videos that I'm currently working on. Yeah. All right. Nice. By the way, it's I am Will Shepherd. If like you just want to type in Linktree in Google and do that. All right. Anyway, I have my new thing, and yeah, I now need to figure out a way to actually get it to help me write a title, a YouTube title. I think that's what I want to do. I want to create a title from a video description. Now I have a few video descriptions, so let's see if I can get that to happen. And I know that I'm going to need to create a template to do that, but for now I'm going to hard code it. I'm just going to make it up and put it in here. So title is going to be short, or I'm sorry, the response should be short, and then I'm going to say let's see, please create a catchy title using the following create a YouTube title. I'll just do that. I won't get subjective. YouTube title using the following video description. All right, and let me go and find a video. All right, we'll use that. And copy that. Beginner's Guide to JavaScript, declaring and assigning variables. Fire. All right, look at that. I get a title. I'm going to use it. So then I need to create a thing for that. I'm gonna call it title generator. How about that? Title generator. So let's create a thing for my my template. Const title template is going to be, and obviously, like, I'm doing the bare minimum right now. But I'm going to do this. I'm just copy that and throw it in here. And put a new line. All right, and this prompt is technically my video description, but I'm not going to deal with that right now. So what I can now do is I should be able to remove this, do that, and then I can do title template. Actually, this should probably be a function. It should probably be a function that will return the thing that I want. Yeah, we'll give it a prompt. Well, I'll say, no, but I'll give it a title. How about that? Or a description, video description, video, or just description. So we'll do that, and then we'll return this, and I'll put in my description, and this should be a string. We'll put the title template here and pass in prompts. Prompt is potentially what? What? Whoa. Oh, okay, I'm done. Okay, prompt. There we are. Cool. Okay. Now let's see, I'm gonna do this on another video. Let's do this one. Oh wait, no, that's not scheduled yet. Let's do this one. It's doing terribly right now. So I'm gonna just copy that. And let's do that right there. Submit query. Something's not right. Variables, Monka. What's Monka S? Monka's, what's that? I don't know. I don't know. Beta TV. Better TV. Not sure what that is. All right, so I'm looking in channel modes. I see emotes only. I don't think that's what you're talking about though. It's a Twitch plugin called Bet Y tier. Okay, I'm gonna try it. All right, give me a second. All right, let me see. Okay, just log in. Authorize. Oh, okay. I had to like upload stuff. Okay, client side. Okay, all right. Give me a second. I'm gonna try. Nah, I mean, you're helping out. So nah, I'm gonna try. Like honestly, like if you didn't bring this up, I would never do. Like I don't know any of these things. Editors, bots, emotes, Better TV Pro. Okay, I saw that there was like a plugin thing, but I don't see it anymore. How do I get to it? Sure, I guess I don't know. Wait, channel points are not available for the broadcast. Okay, sure. All right, so how do I do this? Like, what do I do from here? Do I install the Firefox thing? Is that it? Add the Firefox. Am I using Firefox? Yeah, I am. Cool. Okay, enable for YouTube, sure. Allow. Okay. Okay, so I've done the thing. Now what? Now what do I do? Do I just like, let me refresh the stream manager. Maybe there's a thing that's gonna happen. Okay, so I've now set up an account, I guess. I installed a thing. Here, I'll show y'all this. I installed the thing, and yeah, now what? Do I like do this? Is this it? Is it better? Nope. Okay. Yeah, there's the green frog now. Oh, bro, I wouldn't have noticed that. Okay, so. Okay. Wait, so I installed the thing and then you can see the green frog? Is that how this works? Sorry for like, I don't know. Oh, you're seeing it? Okay. Oh, okay, but like, it didn't show up in. Okay. I guess it works now, hopefully. Well, actually, no, I don't. So I'm looking at it on my iPad. So I guess yeah, there's more to this than I'm showing here. I can show you though. So I normally like look at the stream from my iPad here. So that's where it's going up, and I don't see it popping up there. Oh, it's for the browser. Oh, I see. Gotcha. Okay. All right. Well, I guess that's good to know. Maybe. All right. Well, let me throw this back over here. By the way, I have the stream manager up because I think, yeah, initially when you're like the emote on or the follower only chat thing, I couldn't do anything on the iPad app. So yeah, there's that. Okay. I wonder, see if that's something that Yanni wants to do. Cause like, I don't know. Or I don't want to give you any more stuff to do, Lost Class. You're good. I'm gonna ask Yanni if he wants to do some, whatever this is. I've just asked someone else to do it. Cause I like this is challenging for me. I feel old because I am like oh my gosh. All right, let me zoom back out here. By the way, if there's whoever's watching, like if y'all are like, hey, I can't see something, or like, can you show something specific? Just know that I can like come in here and like zoom in to specific shit. So you just gotta tell me, right? You tell me, be like, hey, Will, zoom in on that code. I can zoom in on that code just like that. So, But for now, I'm going to keep it kind of like overall because I do a lot of moving around on my machine. All right, I think I can get rid of this. I'm no longer facing whatever issues I was facing there. This validator. Honestly, I don't even think I need to look at this anymore. Although I think I want to become a contributor for this. And the only way I'm gonna do it is if there's a guaranteed way I can get into the top 10 fairly easily. So let me see what the top 10 is looking like. Okay, top 10. Okay, 8 commits. I wonder if it's going by, yeah, it's going by commit count. And it looks like someone did a lot of additions here. Yeah, I may do some stuff. One of the things that I've noticed is that the grammar on the docs is, it could be better. So I can probably, get in there. I like having my name in a lot of repos. It's a weird thing, I know. Open source flexing is what I like to call it. All right, let's figure out why, let's get back to this. So let's figure out why this isn't working. Oh, and also let me give you some other things that I'm thinking of doing with this. So I want to be able to generate a title from a description. And I also wanted to generate the tags that I can put on the video. Here, let me just show you these things. I don't really care about showing you. So let's come here. So I wanted to come up with these tags. I know technically they don't matter, but it's like, if I don't have to do the work, I can just fucking do it in here, like just copy and paste. I will do that. So I want to throw the tags in here, and I also want to generate a thumbnail potentially. And the way I think I can go about that is I can give it kind of like a base picture or whatever, and use the image API or use some other things to like do some compositing essentially, and build something. Your OpenAI does more than text. Yeah. What do you mean by OpenAI? I'm confused. What do you mean by that? I can do all of these things. I can do files, embeddings. I can fine tune a model, and that's actually what I'm gonna get into eventually. Where, once I start using this more and more for my needs, maybe I can open this up to other folks, and depending on, I can start learning about what's working, right? So if I integrate the YouTube API, and let's say you link your channel, what I can do is start to, get analytics from your channel, with your request. It'll be for you. I wouldn't be looking at it, but it's like I can get analytics from your channel and then see how that video performs. And then I can basically anonymize things and do it in aggregate to see how the model is performing. And I can continue to make it better, I guess. But yeah. So at the moment I'm using the DaVinci 3 model. I think 4 should be coming out soon-ish, maybe. Let's see here. Here's files. So I can upload something. So what I likely upload is a base image, something like this. So I've been using the same BS thing where it's just, a background with some text. What I can then do is have this uploaded and maybe have it automatically I don't know, come up with the best word, come up with a single word or 3 words or something like that to describe the video. I don't know. There's a lot of me not knowing. As I said, I didn't have a plan. It was just I needed to just do something for content. So that's really what this began as. Just I need content. But if you have ideas and you're like, hey, it'll be dope if you could do this or that, let me know, because I'm down to do it. I'm also noticing that my microphone is not as, I don't know, something's going on. Hopefully I'm not clipping. If I'm clipping, please let me know. I don't know what I sound like right now. That's fine. Cool. Is the music fine as well? Is it too loud? Not loud enough? I also can't hear the music. I listen to my own music because I stream on YouTube now. It's about perfect. All right. Well then, I'm gonna move it 1 notch, and hopefully, there's a 50% chance that I made it a little bit more perfect or less perfect. But I'll take that on. Okay. Anyway, so I now have this thing that I need to figure out. Why is it giving me this? And I think the best way I can go about that is to inspect some stuff. And I think an even better way that I can go about this is to open this in Visual Studio Code. I think. Yeah, so I'm gonna close this down. Oh, look at that. Wait a minute. Am I not writing out the... I forgot that I was supposed to be writing out the prompt. I guess I'm not doing that anymore. That would probably be an easier thing to do, actually. Let me just do that. That's a lot easier. So before I do any of that logic there, what I'm gonna do is write out the prompt. Okay. We'll do this again. And I literally just said that I'm gonna run this in Visual Studio Code, and I didn't do it. Ah, okay. There it is. I understand the problem now. It's not doing the thing that I understand the problem now. That's fine. All right. I don't understand why this is not putting this on a separate line. So what I'm gonna do is wrap it in an object. And let's come here and figure out why this isn't working. Title template prompt. Let me make sure I look at this better. Welcome to my Java creative title. Yeah, it's definitely not working. All right, all right, let me do the thing that I said I was gonna do three times now. Let me do that, close it. No, just close this window. All right, we'll do it here inside of a debug terminal. Okay. Throw a breakpoint on there. Let's see if that actually does anything. And if it doesn't, then I need to figure out how to use the debugger with Next. Okay. And I also wonder if I can put a breakpoint in here. Like, will it also break even though it's on the client? Will it catch it? And I'm not gonna wait and see because I don't trust it. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to pages or prompts. Oh, that's not what I want. Prompt page TSX. There we are. Make this just a tad bit bigger, and I'll make it also I'll do this as well. And for those of you who like stuff on the side, I'm sorry, I gotta put it on the bottom. I actually prefer it this way. Okay, let's put a breakpoint here. We'll do Command B. Oh shit, look at that. It caught it. Or did it only catch it because I put it there? Let's see. Prompt. No, it didn't do it. It also didn't hit on this breakpoint, which is what I kind of expected it to do. Let me clear all the things here. I think they're old. Okay, let's, dang, how do I like just stop this request? I don't want it to run. Do that right there. And the completion is just going to be that. Let's just put the prompt in there. How about that? I'll just put the prompt. And I guess I'm going to wait for it to use up more of my credits, my money. That's all right. Oh, it did. Okay, there we are. So yeah, it still did the thing. So this time it should just like return with the prompt, which is fine. Let's submit the query. Okay, all right. Okay. Is prompt not a string? Wait, hold on. What? Oh, okay. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, there we are. Cool, cool, cool. Let's rerun this, submit the query. All right, cool. Now let's figure out why this function isn't working. It's probably something silly, something dumb. I'm going to try is to remove this description first. And I'm going to do underscore so it leaves me alone. So if this prompt is anything other than this string, we're going to have an issue. It's the problem that it's complaining about. Okay, I don't care. Just like, I don't care. What the fuck? What am I doing? I'm doing something. I must be doing something. What am I doing? Still the old instance in the debugger. Maybe? I don't know. What do you mean? What's top? I don't know what that is. Bot right disconnect icon or something. Oh, you're talking about this? Honestly, I thought that whenever you made a change, it like rebuilt. Is that not how this works? This is Next, right? Yeah, I thought, yeah, it says compile successfully. I thought that's what that meant. I'll stop it. We can see. I don't know. refresh here. Get the state out, and then guess we'll do it again. I guess I don't also, I don't know if I need to breakpoint right now. I'll leave it. It would be dope if I can have this like work with Firefox developer tools. Can I do that? Let's see. Firefox. Okay, I already have it. Okay. Dev tools. I just saw some. Add wait, what does this say? So to do this, open the developer tool settings and check the checkbox label, enable browser Chrome, and add on debugging tool. Wait, what? So use the test mode, you have to launch Firefox manually from a terminal. Okay. Note that if you don't use Firefox Developer Edition, you must first configure Firefox. Okay, so this already uses it. So to do this, open Firefox Developer Tools. Okay, that doesn't matter to me. So then I may need to create one of these things to then launch Firefox for me, because I don't want to do that. That's effort. I'm not about to put in effort. But for now, I'm going to ignore that, and let's get this started again. It looks like it is. Maybe. I'm actually going to close this one and delete this terminal and do it here. All right. Okay, tests. Create a YouTube title using the following video description. Okay. All right, maybe, I don't know. Maybe you're right. I don't know. That's weird to me. Let's go and grab one of these YouTube things. So we'll do conditionals. Okay. I need to come here and like do the thing. Let's uncomment this all out, and I don't want to do any of this anymore. Come to the page, and we'll do the thing. So we'll put that into that, into this, into that, and we'll put in a description, or put that back in. I don't like this. This is really annoying me right now. So I think I can do this. Can you do that? Can you do that? No, you can't do that. Of course not. I'll just accept it, whatever. I'll accept it. Okay. I'm gonna refresh. This still seems wrong. I really need to build, like, do my own logger because I'm repeating this logic now and I don't like it. This is going to be my prompt. We'll do prompt like that. And I'm also going to wrap this in an object as well. Too long? What do you mean? The title? Well, the title, I don't think it's doing what it's supposed to do. I don't trust the query. Like, I don't trust the prompt. It's doing what I expect it to do, but we'll see. Okay, or maybe we won't see. Maybe nothing will happen. Let's see. Welcome to it. So yeah, this is my issue right here. Is that here it's printing the prompt, but that's not the prompt. Or maybe, oh, you know what? I might be being stupid. It could be that. It's probably that. Where am I writing that out the prompt to the console? Log state. Yeah. Okay, no wonder. Okay, all right, ignore this. That's right. This is what it's supposed to be. I was looking at the wrong thing. I should only look at what's happening here. Let me go ahead and refresh this. Now, make sure I copy that out first. All right, do that. And this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this as empty, and that should force it to be like only 16. Okay, never mind. Oh, undefined, that's fine. I think that's okay. Or not. What the hell is coming back as undefined? Is completion data, is that the thing that's undefined? Just all right, let me get rid of this. Let me just put it back to what it was. I got a 500 error. Okay. Maybe that's what this was. So maybe I'll call this an Axios error or the OpenAPI error. But before I do that, we'll say this. We'll say if E instance of Axios error. Can I not do that? I want to know if this is an instance of an Axios error. How would I do that? Ah, okay. Okay, they have a helper function. Okay, that's even easier, I guess. So it's Axios, which I don't have installed. Fuck. I wonder if I can pull that out somehow here. Oh no, I do have Axios. What the hell? Is Axios error? Is Axios? Can I do that? No. Definitely doesn't have a property. Okay. Look at the types. You'll see that Axios error has a property is Axios error that is used to detect when combined with built-in type guard. Ah, okay. Okay. I can type guard this. I did not know this. Wait a minute. I don't know. Wait, what? Oh, okay. All right. Gotcha. Okay. So then we'll do E, and then can I type it as error or Axios error? Okay. I can do that. And can I do that? Is it going to yell at me? Then I cannot do... Where's Axios coming from though? That's the thing. Like, I don't have Axios. Do I just like, can I do this? No. I think that may be a typo. I don't know if I agree with that. Fuck it. I'm gonna just put E. Back to that. So yeah, we'll just do that. We'll say if this is an Axios error, then I want to do that. Otherwise, I should just treat it as an error. And I'll actually call it error. And that'll be E. All right, and then I can just put error message. All right, so hopefully this will get me out of that undefined, because I think that's what this is. It must have failed, right? Why is this not happy? tripping. Where is the log? Here we are. Wait. Where is this being written from? Here, there we are. So we, instead of doing this prompt thing, I'll just do it like so. All right, I'm 500ing, but I don't see anything. I'm done. Okay. No wonder. All right, I'm only returning this. So let me look at the response here. Invalid completion size. Choose response length. Oh, I see what's happening. Okay, I think this could just be a symptom of how, whatever this thing works, how this works. So I'm gonna just give it empty, like so. So now, hopefully that will result in not a failure. And while I'm also thinking about this, let me also come in and write out this error here, so I don't have to keep looking at it on the client side. So we'll just say if we're going to write here, this is going to be OpenAI error. And this is just going to be an error. This is going to just be an error. I'll just write out the whole thing actually. Let's refresh the page. Submit the query. All right, this is the title that it comes back with. Is that a good title? I don't know if that's a good title. I don't know if I like it. Well, here's why I'm saying I don't think I like it. It's because I basically already have that title. I have JavaScript tutorial for beginners, conditionals. And this says JavaScript for beginners, control flow basics. Actually, that could be better. It's better. It's better than what I have. Yeah, he's like not enough fire. All right, let's try to make it a little bit more fire. Create a fire. Clickbaity. Is that how you spell baity? See what that does. And honestly, like I can create like little drop downs to be like, how do you want it? Do you want it to be clickbaity? Do you want it to be formal? Is it part of a playlist? That kind of thing. And then I can go and like look at the playlist and see like what the playlist is about. Let's see what happens there. JavaScript for beginners, master control flow with if else And okay, well, I don't know if that's fire. And while let me also check to see like what is my usage looking like right now. Mostly just curious. Okay, that's definitely no, that's not what I wanted. Okay, okay, all right. I guess I have no way of knowing how much I'm spending on any of the things that I'm doing. All right, let's go. Oh, actually, I don't need this video anymore. I can move that and go on from that. Try it again. Learn how to master control flow in JavaScript, if else. Yeah, it's better, I think. And here's what I'm comparing it against, just so you know. This is my current title, JavaScript tutorial for beginners, conditionals. This thing right here is telling me, it's giving me, I can close this, I don't need it anymore. This is giving me learn how to master control flow in JavaScript, if else. I'm gonna use that title, we'll see what happens over time. And obviously it would be dope if I could also have a thumbnail generated. So that's part of what I'm going to do here. It's just going to be, you're going to give me a description of the video. I'll give you a title, tags, and a thumbnail. And then maybe I can also do some other integration stuff with YouTube to like see what's popular, like what's trending. All right, I'm gonna take a quick break. I need to go get my food. I'm hungry. I will be back. All right, I'm back. Waiting on my food to cool down. It's too hot. I was thinking while I was warming up my food that the next thing I should probably do is integrate the YouTube API. But I guess before that is I can give more than one completion, right? So right now I'm just taking the first one, I think. Just make sure that's actually what I'm doing. Completions, yeah, see? Right now I'm taking the first one, but I can just as well take, the nth one if I wanted to. So right now I'm only asking for one, but I can ask for more than one. And if I take that route, what I can then do is have like a little picker here, where it's just like you can rate it or something like that, or you can copy it. Of course, if I do that, I'll need to make this to where you can't select it, so that I can force the people to like click the one that they like. Maybe I don't know how we do that, but the gist is that like whatever the one is that people pick that they like, I can then take that data and do interesting things with it. Right? Maybe I could do like a test where all of the titles that I've generated over a certain point, I can like link to the video, assuming that that's what people want. And like I was saying, just go back over it and look at analytics to see how it's performing. And I can then use that to then fine tune my model, right? And if I fine tune the model, that should give me better results, better titles, right? But for now, I think this is decent. I mean, it's better than what I had. And I think your results will vary based on your description. How well is your description written, right? All right, let's open up this thing right here. No, I can't do that. That's not gonna do it. Oh yeah, I can do it here. Okay, so then what I'll do is say generate tags for YouTube for a YouTube video with the following details. Number one is going to be title. I'm going to use this title. I also don't like this quote in there. Like, what's up with that? That's weird. That's really weird. Okay, if else, and then I'll do description. Oh gosh. I'm just going to do this right here. I'm not going to do this full thing. Okay. Let me, I had to do that. No. Why is this spelling? It's not that. Okay. Is it because I have these slash ends? Can I not do that? I'm not gonna. I can't figure that out right now. Well, I guess it's as good as time to dip as any. Not many people. So I'm gonna go ahead and call this. If you enjoyed this, please consider following and or subscribing and or liking the video on YouTube. YouTube is actually the primary platform that I'm trying to grow on. So yeah, help me out there. Go over to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like all the other things. And I will pick this back up at some point. Actually, before I go, there's actually some things I need to do. I need to do some committing. So then let's make sure that I've done some things. What's going on? Interesting. Something is definitely going awry here. I'm waiting for that. I wonder if I just broke it or something. Alright, cool. So now I have my PR updated. This is really important because I am going on a company summit tomorrow. And I'll be going for a week. I'm not even sure if I'll have the time or even the desire to work on this, but if I do want to work on it, I got to make sure that I can actually, get the code. Cause I won't start this again. But yeah, this is going to be it for today. Again, playing with OpenAI. OpenAI. Also did some work with whatever this thing is. What's this thing called? React Hook Form. Did some stuff with Next.js. Yeah, catch it on the VOD if you missed earlier. Meantime, have a good weekend. Peace.